Hello everyone. Last class we completed the chapter Alice in Wonderland and we completed the new words and its meaning. So today we can write the question and answer. So you have to write this question answer in your notebook. Okay? Question number 1. While listening to the story, what did Alice see? Answer. Alice saw a white rabbit while she was listening to the story. Question was different about the rabbit that Alice saw? Answer. The rabbit that Alice saw was wearing a blue coat. He could talk and had a big watch. Next question, page number 69. Question number 3. Where did the rabbit go? Answer. The rabbit went into the hole, or you can write the rabbit went into the burrow. Next one, how did Alice reach the Wonderland? Answer. Alice followed the rabbit and reached the Wonderland. Next one. What strange thing did Alice see? Answer. Alice saw beautiful beds of flowers and cool fountains. Next one. Describe in your own words the garden that Alice saw. Answer is, the garden Alice saw was so beautiful. It was full of flowers and had cool fountains. Next one. Draw the garden of your dream. So there is a space you can see in the page number 69. So you have to draw one picture of your garden. Okay. Then next one, textbook activities. So all of you take page number 69. Tick the correct answer. The rabbit had, options are white eyes, big eyes, pink eyes. So answer is pink eyes. You just tick it. Next one, who was burning with curiosity? Alice, the rabbit, children. And answer is Alice. So you have tick it. Third one, who fell down and down and down? So Alice, mouse, the rabbit. The rabbit and the Alice both are correct. Okay, you can tick the two answers, Alice and the rabbit. Who said, "Oh my ears and whiskers, how late it's getting"? Options, the rabbit, Alice, and Alice's sister. Answer is the rabbit. Fifth one, the garden Alice saw was big, lovely, and small. Answer is lovely. So, next one, let us talk. Describe some of the sounds you can hear at the night. Second one, imagine you are Alice and your partner is a rabbit. What would you do? Third one, what do you think Alice saw in the garden? Next one, how could Alice got into the garden? So these answers we can discuss later. Okay. Answer is here. If you can, you write down in the notebook that discuss in the class, live class. Okay. This is some of your sound that hear at night. And imagine you are the Alice and your partner is rabbit. So you can write in this answer in your notebook. Next one, find one word from the story that means. So first one, to walk fast. One word is hurried. So you can, in the textbook there is some space provided. So you can write in the textbook itself. Second one, to think. Answer is wonder. Next one, happy. Answer delight. Next, to be seen now here, disappeared. At once, quickly. Move fast, scamper. To be inquisitive, curious. Then next page number 71, give another word for the ones given below with a similar meaning and make sentence. So here is words given, then you can write the similar word, that means then make sentence. First one, lovely, opposite word is ugly. you can write the sentence like I am not ugly. Talking, quiet, please keep quiet. Listening, speaking, let me speak. See, ignore, she ignored me. Then sender, outside, do not go outside. So in the page number 71, you can see give another word for the one given below with a similar meaning and make sentences. First one, they told that to make similar words with. Next one, write the opposite word. But there is no space for writing the similar word and the sentence. So you can write this one in this box into your notebook. That is lovely, pretty. I saw a pretty dress. Talking, speaking. I am speaking to her. Listening, hearing. I am hearing a song. See, watch. Do you watch TV? Center, middle. Is it in the middle? So this one is word and the similar word, then by using that similar word they make sentences. So next one is a word and then write it opposite word of the first word, then make sentences. So first similar word, you have to write the notebook, make a column or draw a column, then write this answer in your notebook. Okay, I think it's clear. Next one, imagine you are going on a journey to the center of the earth. What do you think you will see? What would you feel? So you can write your own answers. If you didn't get the answer, you can use this answer. When I will be on the journey to the center of the earth, I would see big rocks, underground water, long caves, etc. It would be great fun for me. Okay, that you can write yourself. If it is not get, you can use this one. Okay. Then the next question. Alice follows the strange rabbit because she wants to know a number of things. Rearrange the words to make the question that Alice has in her mind and put a question mark. Talk rabbit a how can. So the order is wrong. That is words are not correct. So you have to rearrange and make a meaningful sentence. Talk rabbit a how can. So how can a rabbit talk? Then mark question. Then put question mark. Going he is where. Where is he going? Read he can time the. Can he read the time? And the last one is hurry is in a why he. Why is he in hurry? Okay. So these all are the works in the chapter Alice in Wonderland. So once again I am repeating, you have to write the question and answer in your notebook. Then next one, you can draw one picture of your garden. Next one, tick the correct answer. So many options are there. So you have to tick the correct answer. Then let's talk. That one you can we can discuss from our live class, and you can write your own answer in your notebook. Then next one, let's write. So there is some space provided, so you can write in the textbook. Then page number 71, give another word for the one given below the similar meaning and make sentences. There is no space for writing the answer, so you have to write this one in your notebook. And the second one, opposite word opposite and the sentence, there is some space provided in the textbook, so you have to write that answer only in the textbook itself. Okay, then next one, imagine you are going a journey into the center of the earth. That answer you can write your own idea, and if you didn't get anything, you can use this answer. Then next one, rearrange the sentence and make a meaningful sentence. This one also you can write in the textbook. I hope you understood this one, and thank you. Have a nice day.